Hey guys, we just bought this new home and it's awesome. But there are a few things I didn't realize that came with home ownership. And my honey-do list is turning into a who can I pay to do this list. Number 5, check for mold and water collection in your front-loading washing machine. This is seriously gross. Are your clothes even clean if your washer isn't? Number 4, check your dishwasher spray arm for food particles and limescale buildup. Normally, I just load my dishwasher without ever looking at the spray arm. Out of sight, out of mind kind of deal. But with dirty food flying everywhere in here, I'm a bit grossed out. Nasty. Number 3, clean out your dryer lint. We all know to clean this lint trap after just about every drying cycle. But did you know you're supposed to vacuum the lint that collects outside of the lint trap in here? Don't try this at home. Spoiler alert, lint like this can be a fire hazard. Number 2, change your air and water filters. Your refrigerator makes it easy since it tells you when to change it. Sediment can build up and restrict the water flow. So when you do change it, here's a pro tip. Check the NSF rating for what it filters. I got you. Number 1, dealing with the quick fix when one of these high-tech appliances breaks and I'm losing my instruction manual. Trying everything to fix it, that's when it hit me. I'll call Sears. Cause finishing this honey-do list will definitely give me some brownie points, and doing it with a brand I trust like Sears, more brownie points. So what new homeowner surprise did you find? What's your least favorite adulting chore? Leave me a note in the comments.